The following video will show you how to take a sample using thin film SPEME. You will need a thin film SPEME kit and a pair of tweezers to hold the membrane and insert it into the carrier tube. A dry, lint-free tissue is needed when using immersive sampling. From your thin film SPEME kit, assemble a thin film SPEME membrane with storage vial, a 20 ml clear vial, cap and septum, a cotter pin, a metal industry standard thermal desorption tube, a glass encapsulated magnetic stir bar or appropriate agitator. Thin film SPEME membranes can be used for both headspace and immersive sample extractions. Here we are using headspace sampling. With your sample in place, pierce the vial cap septum from the outer cap with a cotter pin and unscrew. Remove the thin film SPEME membrane from the storage vial using appropriate tweezers. Transfer the membrane to the cotter pin, taking into account positioning for headspace or immersive sampling. Seal the membrane in the vial and adjust the membrane insertion depth by moving the cotter pin accordingly. Next, the sample vial should be magnetically stirred or agitated. Once sampling is complete, use tweezers to remove the thin film SPEME membrane from the sample vial. In the case of immersive extractions, blot dry the membrane using a dry, lint-free tissue before desorption. Transfer the membrane to a thermal desorption tube, inserting it until it touches the gauze inside. And seal with appropriate caps for analysis. After analysis, the thin film SPEME membrane can be stored in the tube, fitted with long-term storage caps, or returned to the shipping vial. Membranes may require a short period of conditioning before reuse. For more information, please visit marx.com.